What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In this video we're going to be discussing all the huge news that's happened over the past 24 hours with Tesla buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, Elon Musk talking about Bitcoin, all kinds of other stuff happening as well, Apple possibly going to be buying Bitcoin as well. We got Bitcoin skyrocketing past $45,000. Upwards of $50,000 like I have been talking about, and many altcoins surging as well. I'm going to go over some altcoins I'm pretty bullish on in this video also. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for regular crypto videos, and hit the bell to be notified when I do release new videos because some of this information is very time sensitive. Alright guys, so before we jump into the crypto markets and the crypto news over the past 24 hours, I do want to give you guys an update. My next big crypto giveaway will be launching this weekend probably, and there's going to be $25,000 or more in cryptocurrency prizes and more winners than the last contest as well. So I will let you guys know when that's launching here very soon. I'm also going to be doing the pre-sale for the crypto membership site coming up. And I will be doing exclusive videos for this membership site, and I'm going to be hiring people, technical analysis experts, and other things as well. It's going to have its own website where you could log in and find daily posts and everything, and then private chats and everything. So I will let you guys know the date and time for the crypto membership pre-sale as well. That should be coming up very soon. So my main Twitter account is still in Twitter jail. Unfortunately, they haven't replied to my email in over a week still. Just ridiculous how slow their support is. And they locked my account and won't let me verify through email, and the phone number they want me to verify through I don't have access to. It's been over 2 years since I've had this phone number. I didn't even know it was still attached to that account. So still no updates from them, so you guys could follow me on my new account here at TonySparkOG. Keep in mind, there's a lot of people trying to impersonate me on Twitter as well and other platforms, so be very careful who you listen to. Alright guys, so jumping into the cryptocurrency markets here, on CoinMarketCap, they actually removed the Wall Street bets here at the top and added Tesla Model 3 price. And this is because Tesla jumped into Bitcoin, making a $1.5 billion acquisition of Bitcoin. And Elon Musk did add that Bitcoin hashtag to his profile. I knew as soon as he did that, he was getting into Bitcoin with Tesla, like I claimed, and that's why I bought Bitcoin in that trading series video. A lot of people were claiming I made a bad move doing that, but I'm up pretty much 10 grand buying one Bitcoin doing that. So Bitcoin I think is going to be climbing in general. $50,000 I think is a major resistance level. So we don't have previous history since we are at all-time highs to find new resistance levels. So we kind of just have to figure what the major mental barriers are going to be for people. And that's usually big rounded numbers like $50,000 Bitcoin, $2,000 Ethereum. I have been saying both of these would be testing these numbers in the first couple weeks of February for the last month or so. And we're getting very close to those levels. And I do think that's going to be hard to pass. But any major news can, of course, push us past that. We also got Binance BNB just surging over the last week. I did sell that a little too soon. I was holding out quite a while for this, pretty bullish on BNB in general because it is a competitor with the Ethereum blockchain. So that's up 100% in the last 7 days. Just insane, going from $50 to over $100 now. So Binance BNB being up the most out of the top 10. Huge week for BNB, and I am bullish on that just because Binance is such a massive platform. They're not going away. They are acquiring more and more major crypto platforms in the space, paying hundreds of millions of dollars, giving BNB more and more utility, which is what I like to see for a cryptocurrency. So Litecoin is also up 7% here, 8%. So I'm still pretty bullish on Litecoin in general. Leading up to that PayPal crypto merchant payment launch, I think Litecoin will be climbing pretty steady. And after that breaks and we start getting thousands of announcements of new stores accepting Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum as payment, I do think Litecoin will be surging. And I definitely think it's possible to see a $1,000 Litecoin at some point in 2021. So I'm doing dollar cost averaging with Litecoin right now. Dogecoin, like we talked about recently, still holding around 7 cents. Surprisingly, there wasn't a major dip. So lots of people buying Dogecoin and talking about that in general, a lot of celebrities. A lot of people pushing for Doge to get to $1. And like I said in that video, it's possible, but it's going to take a very long time. And the major media is going to have to continue with Dogecoin as well. If people stop talking about Dogecoin and media stops covering it, the attention on it's going to drop off, and it's going to drop very drastically in price. So be very careful buying into coins like this that are only moving based on social media speculation. So besides that, we got a lot of other altcoins moving crazy. Terra Luna here up 200% on the 7-day. We're going to start seeing a lot of smaller altcoins moving up massively. We got Avalanche here up 140%, Maker up 48% on the 7-day, Hobai token up 57%, IOTA up 70%. As you guys can see, it's just crazy right now. A lot of top 100 cryptos surging in price. So as I stated in my recent video that I was buying SparkPoint SRK, that's actually up over 3x now. I got in at a great point. So as I discussed in that video, we had a huge cup and handle, and that's a great technical analysis sign. And basically I bought the bottom there at 0.0015. Now that's up huge, passing 0.005. So it's half of a cent right now, and I do think it could be testing 1 cent within February, because SparkPoint does have a major top exchange listing coming up, and that's their first big exchange listing. So that's going to make it more accessible and give it a lot of attention, and its volume is exploding as well, passing into the millions for the first time. So even though I'm still bullish on SparkPoint SRK, keep in mind there could always be temporary dips, especially with this being up 3x in a short period of time. It's very volatile and it is high risk, but leading up to that big exchange listing, I wouldn't be surprised to see this testing 1 cent for the first time. And now SparkPoint is big enough market cap and high enough volume to start getting listed on even bigger exchanges. So I think 2021 is going to be a great year in general. And this is why I've been dollar cost averaging this basically the entire time of its existence here. I've been dollar cost averaging and I'm up huge. This is why I like finding small cap hidden gem cryptos and buying into them, doing dollar cost averaging over time. Ends up paying off huge if you get into the right projects. Of course, this requires tons of research and knowing what to look for, which is why I will be launching a hidden gem series here on YouTube, Hidden Gem of the Week. I will be launching that very soon. I've just been so busy with other things and so much crazy crypto news coming out that I have been having to delay a couple of videos here. All right, guys, so jumping into some major crypto news over the past 24 hours, we have Apple positioned to offer cryptocurrencies, RBC report states. So this would be massive after the acquisition of $1.5 billion from Tesla, now possibly Apple doing the same and even offering cryptocurrency services to buy, sell, and trade cryptos through Apple would just be massive. So I do believe every major company is going to be getting on board with cryptocurrencies. I wouldn't be surprised to see Amazon and Apple getting in by the end of 2021. Since we have PayPal and Visa getting in, they have both confirmed. I do think other major companies will be jumping on board as well to stay competitive. So this is major if we do get Apple jumping in within 2021 as well. So another major article here on Business Insider. This is very important. A crypto fear and greed indicator is flashing a warning signal that shows investors are being extremely greedy as top cryptocurrencies hit record highs. So with so much crazy news happening pretty much day after day right now, people are starting to have fear of missing out and buying into cryptos at whatever price they're at, even up a couple 100%. People are buying cryptos. So at some point, there's going to be some bad news and we are going to get a correction and drop probably 20 to even 40% for some cryptos. So we do have to be aware that it's very possible a major dip could be hitting at any time. This is why I do dollar cost averaging and spread out my purchases. This allows me to buy the dips whenever they happen. And it is important to have a crypto exit strategy planned as well. Know where you want to take profits and what you would be happy at and at what percent of your portfolio. So the major news we had over the past 24 hours, as I'm sure you guys have already heard, pretty much everywhere in the mainstream news, is Tesla buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and the plans to accept Bitcoin as payment for Tesla products. So if this does play out, I will be buying a Cybertruck with Bitcoin at some point in the next couple of years. I do think there's a pretty big delay though on the Cybertrucks because of the coronavirus that really halted their development of products. So other major news here is Miami mayor who backs Bitcoin wants the city to hold crypto assets, which would be massive. That'd be the first we have a city buying and holding crypto assets, which I think is extremely smart. And if they do this, then we're going to be seeing other cities start doing this as well, in my opinion. So everything's really kicking off here. We have a lot of different companies really taking initiative, getting into cryptocurrencies, and that's only going to make other companies want to do the same. So very bullish on cryptos in general here is why we have Bitcoin getting close to $50,000 now. Something else crazy here is Bitcoin and Ethereum together are now past $1 trillion market cap together. That's not including any other cryptocurrency in the entire space. And we barely just passed $1 trillion for the entire crypto global market cap. So this is really huge. The crypto space is growing very rapidly, which also means there's high risk of big dips at the same time, very volatile. So that's it for this crypto news and market update. I hope you guys found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm doing daily cryptocurrency videos on the most important crypto news and hidden gems and letting you guys know what I'm buying. I'm also going to be doing an update on my crypto trading series here as well, where I show you guys exactly what I'm buying and selling on Binance US. Also, if you guys are new to the crypto space or want to learn more, I have a cryptocurrency guides playlist here on my channel. Some very valuable information here, all for free. A lot of great information here, so I definitely recommend going through this. You can see how I do dollar cost averaging as well, and how I invest in cryptos for long-term success. Some great tips and stuff in here as well. So if you guys did find the video useful, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. Everything helps the channel grow, and I do appreciate that. It allows me to do bigger crypto giveaways and do more content as well. And I do have some big products coming, including that crypto membership website. So I will keep you guys updated on everything. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.